Hello, in this video we are going to look at the projects area of Steelray Project Analyzer. So in a previous video I showed that if you click on the project menu you can add a project to this area that way. I'm going to show you another way to do it. Right click on the project's header and you have a pop-up menu, and I pick Add Project. And I'm going to add a January snapshot of the same schedule, and here it is. So if I wanted to rename this, I would right click and pick Rename. If I wanted to remove a file, I right click and select Remove. But we also have this menu item called Create New Project Set. And what that does is it creates an empty folder where you would click here to add more schedules to it. And I want to add these two schedules, but I'm going to show you an even faster way. So I'm going to right click and remove. All I have to do is check these two schedules and right click pretty much anywhere in this area and select Create Project Set from Selected. And it creates that folder, but this time it has my two schedules that I want in it. I can rename them. So I'm going to call this My Project Set. So here I have the new project set. It has my two schedules in it. There's one more thing that I need to do, and that is to tell Analyzer that both of these schedules are snapshots of the same schedule. That tells Analyzer that they can be compared. And we're going to show you how to do that in the next video. So please watch. Thanks.